What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw crafty corn from the smiling critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the horn. Now I want to tilt it over towards the left. So we're going to start with the base. Starting from the left side, I'm going to bend this across and pull this up higher on the right side. Now I want to bend the sides going up towards the top of the horn. So we'll start with the bottom. We're going to go up in an angle, bend that in, round out the tip, come around and then down towards the right side. Let's add two curves inside the horn. We start with the top one, coming down and up, step down and draw that again. Now with that horn in place, let's draw the bottom edge of the hair. From this point, we're going to step down, just going to curve this around, go up, bend that in. Let's draw another curve going up towards the ear, going out and then up. Now I want to create a fold, so we're going to step back over towards the right, curve the ear, going around, then out. Let's bend this out and then up towards the top of the ear. Let's round up the tip of the ear, go all the way around the outside, come down and then bend that in. Let's add that space inside the ear. We're going to start with the bottom with the curve going across, go to the left side. I'm just going to follow the curve of the ear going out, then up, round this out and then come down towards the bottom. Now we're going to go back and draw the outside of the hair. Let's start from this point, come across, round this out, go all the way around and then up towards the top of the head. Now I want to bring this down and in behind the ear. Going up, come down. I'm going to bend this up and then down in behind the ear. Over on the left side, we're going to see the tip of the left ear. We're going to go up and bend that back in. Now with the hair in place, let's move down and draw the bridge of the nose. We're going to start up here, bend this around and then out towards the muzzle. Let's curve the nose, going up and out, round out the nose and then pull that in towards the bottom. Now this is going to blend into the mouth. So we're going to go across, bend that up, and then bend that down towards the end. Inside the nose, we're going to add two curves for the nostrils. Let's go to the left side of the nose. We're going to bend the mouth, going up and then down. Let's step back to create a fold. Curve the mouth coming down and across towards the bottom. Round up the mouth, pull this up towards the right, and we'll just tuck that in. On the bottom right side, we're going to add the tongue. Let's start with the fold. We're going to go across and then down, step back, draw the outside. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the outside edge of the left eye. We're going to start underneath the hair, come around, and then in towards the nose. Let's go all the way over towards the right, draw the inside edge of the eye, coming around, go out towards the mouth. That's going to follow the curve of the mouth going up, and then out, curve the eye going up, and then in underneath the hair. Now inside the eyes, we're going to draw two ovals for the pupils. Let's start underneath the hair on the left, coming down, and then back up. Let's go over towards the center of the right eye and draw another oval. Now I want to layer the eyebrows on top of the head. Let's start on the left side, bend this out and then down. Go over towards the right, going up around the right eye. Now I'm going to trace the left side of the head, going around the eye first, coming down towards the mouth, bump out the cheek, and follow the curve of the mouth coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side underneath the ear, bend the head going out and then down. And create a fold, stepping in, go around the corner of the mouth, come all the way down, and then we'll just blend that in. In between the ear and the cheek, we're going to draw the edge of the hair. We go out and then back in. Let's move down, draw the back side of the hair, going up, around, and then in. Let's add another bump, coming down and up. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the mouth. I'm going to sign my art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a drawing of Crafty Corn from the Smiling Critters. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.